Mga kabayan, ginisa sa Kamara ang tatlong di umano ay incorporator ng Lucky South 99. Ito ay matapos na hindi magsabi ng totoo sa kanilang mga nalalaman sa kumpanya kaugnay sa mga ilegal na aktibidad sa naturang Pugo Hub at ang kumpanyang Lucky South 99. Sa nakaraang pagdinig sa Kamara, nag-init ang ulo ng mga mambabatas matapos paulit-ulit na itanggi ng mga sospek na wala silang alam at tumangging sagutin ang tanong ng mga kongresista.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin no, Mr. Chair, nagpagamit din kayo.
No, Your Honor.
Hindi, nagpagamit din kayo. Come on, hindi mo alam eh. Paano mo hindi mo alam? You are the president, Mr. Chair. Medyo nagagalit na ako dito eh. Nagsisinungaling ka. You are the president. And you do not even know. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Niloloko mo ang committee ito?
No, Your Honor. May I continue the...
Oh, go ahead, just continue.
The story
You better tell the truth because I am going to cite you in contempt. We do not want this committee to be insulted further. We do not want that. Come on, we're not wasting our time here. We are working. We're not wasting our time here. And you are insulting this committee. Oh, hindi ako nagagalit. Dynamic lang ako dito. Pero what I'm saying is true. We do not want this committee to be insulted by you people who come in here to lie before our faces.
Maging si Congressman Dan Fernandez ay binantaan na rin ang mga resource persons na sinasabing incorporator ng Lucky South 99 na ipapasight in contempt dahil sa kanilang pagsisinungaling at hindi pagsasabi ng totoo.
No, Your Honor.
Sabi mo kanina, pandemic, handun kayo sa parking area. Don't lie. Huwag ka magsisinungaling because you are incorporated now dito sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. You were offered Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated during the pandemic noong 2020. And now, 2023, dun kayo sumama sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Sa panig naman ni Atty. Harry Roque, itinanggi niya na hindi niya kilala ang tatlong incorporator ng kumpanya at sinabi rin niya na hindi rin niya ito nakita kailanman.
Let me ask, Attorney Roque, you are the lawyer of Whirlwind,
yes,
right?
Your Honor.
Okay.
For the ejectment case.
For the ejectment case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you do not even know this Lucky Corporation here.
Wala po. No contact whatsoever. Kaya nga po vehement ang denial ko. Kahit anong anino, wala po ako nakita. Itong mga naririto po, hindi ko po sila kakilala. No? Kaya nga po, ang kakilala ko lang is yung Whirlwind. No? At yun naman po ang dokumentado na talagang umampir ako sa hukuman. Hindi po talaga madidinayan at nakipagbalitaktakan ako sa ngalan po ng Whirlwind.
Samantala, maging si Baterna, ang sinasabing corporate secretary ng Lucky South 99, ay tumanggi rin na hindi niya kilala ang mga di umano ay mga incorporator at sinasabing nagpagamit lang ang mga ito sa mga tunay na may-ari ng Pugo Hub na ni-raid sa Pampanga at Tarlac.
Okay. Ms. Baterna, have you ever seen any of the three other incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Hindi po. Hindi ko po sila kilala.
Never mo yung nakilala?
Never po.
Never were you present in any meeting where all the three of them were also present?
Never po.
Never. Ikaw lang yung nasa office palagi?
Opo.
Ikaw lang yung nauutusan ng mga persons running Lucky South 99?
Yes po.
And you never got a call, text, message, or anything from any of the three persons involved? Itong mga bisita natin ngayon?
Wala po.
Ikaw lang?
Opo.
Okay.
Ano ang masasabi mo dito, kabayan? Sama-sama nating panuorin ang buong video at pakikomment nyo po ang inyong mga reaksyon at sariling opinyon. Pero bago yan, muli po ako nag-iimbita sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa ating channel na Kabayan News PH, pakipindot po ang subscribe button at pakiclick na rin ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin na legit at napapanahong balita. Maraming pong salamat.
May I know if we have the incorporators of the Lucky South 99 Corporation here? May I request them to stand up and state their name and what is their position?
Ang incorporators ng Lucky... Wait. Kasi nako-confuse tayo, no? Anong Lucky South 99 are we talking about? Lucky South 99
South 99 Corporation.
Corporation. And then Corporation. Yun yung bago. So, Lucky South 99 Corporation, andon sila Baterna, sila Julian Linsangan, at sila Edgar Chan.
May
Sila
I please
ang Lucky
ask them
South
to stand up
99.
and state their name and their
Corporation.
position in the corporation?
Ayan sila. Ano?
Yes, Mr. Chair. On papers, Mr. Chair, so today, kami po yung officer ng Lucky South. Kami pong tatlo.
All right. Please just state your name and give your position in the
In
corporation.
papers, Your Honor, I'm Julian M. Linsangan III as president po. ng
You're the
Lucky South.
president,
In papers po.
all right, of the corporation.
Yes, Your Honor.
In papers.
Yes, Your Honor.
In papers lang, ha?
Opo.
Okay, next.
Yes po, good afternoon po. Edwin Ang po, treasurer po.
You are the
papers din
what?
Po. Edwin Ang po.
And what is your position?
Nakalagay po sa papers, treasurer po.
In paper then.
Yes po.
Oo. And
Marion Ryan Chua po. In papers as director po.
in papers then.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oo. So, let me ask. Also, Miss... okay. May I ask, who is the real owner of the corporation?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Okay. So you are the incorporators, you are the president, but you do not know the real owner of the corporation.
Your Honor, as we said kanina po, pinulge po yung pirma namin nung time na nag-amend sila ng incorporation po nila.
So Mr. Chair, let me ask, how did you become incorporators?
Hindi po namin alam, Your Honor.
Wait, Congressman, may I interject? Kasi a while ago, that other guy was talking, anong pangalan mo, bro?
Marion Chua po.
Brian Chua. Kasi kanina may sinasabi ka, ang sinasabi mo sa amin kanina, may kumausap sa iyo.
Yes, Your
Nagpunta pa kayo ng parking area, di ba? And he offered you 50 million. Sabi mo, hindi mo kaya. Tapos suddenly, sabi mo, nag-negotiate siguro kayo or something, lumabas kayo ng 500,000.
Yes,
And
sir.
you told us that you talked to the two others para i-consider yung offer.
Yes, sir.
So, nung kinonsider yung offer, I'm pretty sure alam nyo kung anong pinag-uusapan nyo. Di ba? 500,000 yung ilalabas nyo. Yun ang usapan nyo, di ba?
Mr. Chair, that's my next question.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, let me ask, no? You were incorporators in papers.
Mr. Chair, we're not the incorporator. Ginawa lang po kami.
You were
officer.
not really the incorporators.
We're not the incorporators. Mr.
Therefore, you did not pay any amount to be incorporators.
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, you only became incorporators to be able to satisfy the regulation of corporations in which 60% are owned by Filipinos.
Pwede po pakiulit yung question, Mr. Chair.
Okay, ano ba yung question ko? Do you realize that in any corporation in the Philippines, that the corporation must be owned specifically 60% by Filipinos? Do you realize that? Do you know that?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, do you know that? Therefore, you own 60% of the share.
In papers, Your Honor, I don't know how much I own.
So you do not even know how much share do you have.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
You did not contribute any money as far as buying shares is concerned.
No, Your Honor.
Therefore, the corporation is owned by Chinese nationals who aren't even Filipinos?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Ibig sabihin no, Mr. Chair, nagpagamit din kayo.
No, Your Honor.
Hindi, nagpagamit din kayo. Come on, hindi mo alam eh. Paano mo hindi mo alam? You are the president, Mr. Chair. Medyo nagagalit na ako dito eh. Nagsisinungaling ka. You are the president. And you do not even know. So anong ibig sabihin nito? Niloloko mo ang committee ito?
No, Your Honor. May I continue the...
Oh, go ahead, just continue.
The story
You
of-
better tell the truth because I am going to cite you in contempt to make a motion to it.
Yes, Your Honor.
My goodness, hindi mo alam? Ano ba kayo? Mga tanga ba kayo? Are you going to allow yourselves to be used by a Chinese national and you do not even know the corporation? You are the president of the corporation. You are.
Mr. Chair, actually, Your Honor, meron pong mga dokumento, pinail ang Lucky South sa SEC na forged po yung mga pirma namin at hindi po namin alam kung ano po yung mga...
So you are admitting right now that your signatures were not your signatures, they were forged.
Yes, Your Honor, that's why po nag-file kami ng kaso sa
So they were forged.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who forged it?
We don't know, Your Honor. Maybe the Lucky South po.
Maybe the Lucky South. Okay. Again, let me repeat, Mr. Chair. Who do you believe is the owner of the Lucky South 99 Corporation?
The previous po, the Chinese, ang nakalagay po doon sa...
What is the name of the Chinese?
Doon po sa... Before po lumabas yung pangalan namin, ang president po yung Zhang Ji.
Sino po, Mr. Chair?
Zhang Ji, Mr. Chair.
Who is Jiang Qi?
Doon po sa...
Sabi mo kanina sa amin, di mo alam eh.
Nabasa lang po namin dito sa nakuha namin dokumento.
Have you met him?
No, Your Honor.
Have they talked to you?
No, Your Honor.
So, yung Jiang Qi na yan, alam mong Chinese yan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, nagpaloko kayo sa Chinese.
I think, Your Honor, naloko po kami doon sa...
Ayun. So, ina-admit nyo, Mr. Chair, na sila ay naloko ng mga Chinese. Now, to question here, magkano binayad sa inyo ng Chinese?
No, Your Honor, wala.
Meron. You do not lie to me here. Hindi pwede na gamitin kayo ng Chinese owners na walang binayad sa inyo. Come on.
Mr. Chair,
We're not stupid here. Nagpagamit kayo ng ganun lamang na hindi kayo binayaran?
forge nga po yung pirma namin, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to make a motion to hold these people in contempt.
Okay, there's a motion. But before we move for the second motion, I would like to remind yung ating mga incorporators doon sa company na yon. Kasi kanina sinabi nyo na merong kayong pinag-usapan na 500,000. And that was 500,000 that you have considered. And pretty sure, dinidinay nyo na rin yung tao na kausap nyo na nawawala na, hindi na matagpuan. I think that is a lame excuse. And you are making us think twice. Actually, kanina, no, nandito kayo, napapaniwala nyo ako sa mga, sa mga facial reaction. But when you spoke a while ago, yung isa, nagkaroon kayo ng contact doon sa, Lucky South 99 eh. At hindi nyo lang inaamin ngayon, but you were tempted, most likely you were tempted to enter, no? With them. Kasi hindi sila mag-o-offer ng 50 million eh. Kanina, come to think of it, hindi sila mag-o-offer sa inyo ng 50 million kung there's nothing on it. And as a matter of fact, you consider it. You consider it. Anyway, so I hope that yung puso ng ating kaibigan, si Chairman,
Mr. Chair,
but there is a motion. There is a pending motion. So,
Mr. Chair, before you...
Congressman Barbers.
Mr. Chair, We do not want this committee to be insulted further. We do not want that. Come on, we're not wasting our time here. We are working. We're not wasting our time here. And you are insulting this committee. Oh, hindi ako nagagalit. Dynamic lang ako dito. Pero what I'm saying is true. We do not want this committee to be insulted by you people who come in here to lie before our faces.
So, we will give you opportunity. Tell us the truth. Kasi alam namin meron kayo nalalaman. Just give us something. Because you won't speak like that, no? Kanina, no?
Mr. Ibibigay ko po namin yung copy ng complaint namin sa Makati para po makita po ng this committee yung...
Of course,
aming
bibigyan nyo talaga yung magko-complain kayo talaga.
Meron po
Dahil
kami-
dahil sinabi ng PAOK, kasama kayo sa demanda dahil kayo ang incorporators. And you're trying to have a safe passage in here na hindi kayo involved. Pero in all reality, no, because of your statement a while ago, we can assume here that talagang kasama kayo, kilala nyo yung Lucky South 99. You were used and you are allowing to be used until now. Until now. At akala nyo, maloloko nyo ang kongresong ito, pati ito, si Baterna, akala nito, maloloko tayo. Pero babalikan namin kayo. Okay?
So, Mr. Chair, I reiterate my motion.
Mr. Chair,
Barbers.
Mr. Chair, before you rule on the motion, may I just ask for a 1-minute suspension for the committee to get our acts together?
1 minute suspension. Hearing resume. So, meron ako itatanong, Elisa, kanina yung nagsasalita, anong name mo?
Marian Chua po.
Ha?
Marian Chua po.
Ryan Chua.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kanina, may binanggit ka dito. During the pandemic, 2019, 2020, you were able to talk to that guy. What is the name of that guy?
Dan de la Cruz.
Dan de la Cruz. O yan, tama. Dan de la Cruz. At ang offer sa iyo ni Dan de la Cruz for you to join yung kanilang Lucky South 99, di ba? Outsourcing, 50 million.
Your Honor, wala pong nabanggit na pangalan ng korporasyon. Ang sabi lang po sa amin is magtatayo pa lang po. And he was telling me it was 15 million, 1.5 po. Yung parang
50 million.
15 po. 1.5.
1.5. At tapos sabi nyo, hindi nyo kaya, tapos 500,000, nag-usap-usap kayo, tapos binigay nyo yung lahat ng dokumento sa kanila. Correct? Why do you have to give all your documents na hindi naman pala kayo sasama? And as a matter of fact, Edwin, Chua, this was during pandemic.
No, Your Honor.
Sabi mo kanina, pandemic, nandun kayo sa parking area. Don't lie.
Your
Huwag ka
Honor.
magsisinungaling because you are incorporated now dito sa Lucky South 99 Corporation. You were offered Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Incorporated during the pandemic noong 2020. And now, 2023, dun kayo sumama sa Lucky South 99 Corporation.
Let me ask, Attorney Roque, you are the lawyer of Whirlwind,
Yes,
right?
Your Honor.
Okay.
For the ejectment case.
For the ejectment case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you do not even know this Lucky Corporation here.
Wala po. No contact whatsoever. Kaya nga po, vehement ang denial ko. Kahit anong anino, wala po ako nakita. Itong mga naririto po, hindi ko po sila kakilala. No? Kaya nga po, ang kakilala ko lang is yung Whirlwind. No? At yun naman po ang dokumentado na talagang umapir ako sa hukuman. Hindi po talaga madidinayan at nakipagbalitaktakan ako sa ngalan po ng Whirlwind.
Hindi ba sa inyo nagkwento ni Cassandra na mayroong Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Ang sinabi niyo po,
Sinabi niya.
Yan yung umuupa sa kanila. At ang palaging, well, I do not know if this is divulging already too much po for attorney-client, no? Ang palaging issue namin is it worth defending the ejectment? Kasi kapag natanggal sila sa posisyon, wala na rin yung premises sa kanila, So parang para kay pa, no? Wala namang ibang uupa dyan. Kung hindi
Attorney
Pogo.
Roque, let me say this, no, the Whirlwind Company is a real estate company.
Yes po, opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and they were the ones that actually bought the property from Mr. Cruz. Am I right?
Yung building po sila nag-construct and they bought a portion.
And I think that you know that the Whirlwind Company, who also owns the Lucky South 99 Corporation, who also is connected with the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Corporation, you would know that this is actually a Pogo hub that they would be constructing.
Hindi ko po alam na sila may-ari ng Lucky South. Ang alam ko lang po, tinayo nila itong facility ito at pinapaupahan nga po sa Pogo, Lucky South.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Apo.